Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to design certificate, the head of certificate, so that you can design this certificate to benefit whatever you want to do for high school or for any certificate for apprentice. Okay, you can just do the head and start looking for how to. So I'm going to teach you how to design the head so that it can benefit on it. Just watch this video. You don't need to go outside to go and do it. You can do it by yourself with your laptop, okay, or with your phone. Okay guys, so without wasting much of your time, what you can do now is to just come down to this design. As you can see now, I've clicked on this design. You locate your page border. When you come down to the page border here, you can see the custom here. From this custom, you can come down to this non-art. You can select any of these. Select any of this one. Okay, you can select any of this one so that in case, just select any of this one. For instance, I can just pick anyone here, so you can see, just play with it. That is, play with it. Let me just pick this one. Okay, as you can see, I'll just press OK. So can you see now, the next thing is to come down to this insert, go down to this word art here, select this option. This is lighter, that can beautify your writing, your edge. Okay, so to design the head here, so you can clear this one, away, you clear it so that you can write. For instance, you can write Inspiration High School, Inspiration High School Inspiration High School. So after that, you can just come down to this area whereby you can show some style that you want. In this area now, you can pick this style, or you pick this style. It based on how you want to twist the head. Okay, so for instance, if I be able to pick this right now, can you see that? So it will just change some, making it look beautiful. So you can see this one now. So right now I want it to be in uppercase. Okay, I will go back to the home. I will come down to this area, so I will change it to uppercase. When changing it to uppercase now, you can see it right now is bold like this. Okay, so for instance, after you have seen it like this, Inspiration High School, and the next thing to do is to just come down to this insert. Okay, you go to the shape. From the shape here, you can see, you can see banner here. You can utilize any of this. Okay, so by the time you do that, you can just do like this. You can see this right now. It's based on your choice. Okay, just based on your choice, and you can take it to the middle of this. After taking it to the middle here, so you can write something inside by pressing your right click and add text here. So you can write living certificate. Living certificate. Living certificate. So living certificate, you can bold it by what? You highlight it like this. So you highlight it and make bold it like this, and increase the fonts. You can increase the fonts so that many people can see it like that. Living certificate, I think is bold enough. Let's leave it in 11. Okay, right now you can just see like this now, living certificate, and you start writing the rest of the certificate the way you want it. Okay, so this is the head. This is the head of any certificate you want to do. So this is how to create the head. Okay, and the design, and now whatever you want to write inside, you can write it. But for me now, for this tutorial, is to show you how to design the head, so that after that, the next video, I'm going to show you how to complete everything, guys. So if you find this tutorial helpful, consider to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for my next update, guys. Peace.